Great. So we are talking first time. So could you introduce yourself? Then I can start. If you know about little bit yourself.
Yeah, why not, madam? Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduction. So yeah, my name is Jamdi Israel and I am from Bihar. If I talk about my education, so I am intermediate pass. If I talk about my hobbies, so my hobbies are I love to travel, I love to talk to new people, and I love to learn new things. And apart from that, I have a small YouTube channel where I upload English conversation videos, and I am doing job in Kuwait. It called abroad. Yeah, that's all about me, madam.
Okay, you are doing job in Kuwait. Okay, that's great. That's great. Nice introduction. So what about your hobby? Do you anything other like if you leisure time?
Yeah, nowadays, can say I am making videos. Sometimes, I did video. Okay, I
Okay,
upload
okay, okay.
video. I blog video. This is my hobby, and I talk. With different kind of people. Okay.
Okay, okay, okay. That's great. Nice introduction. Okay, so I can introduce myself first, then I can start. Okay, my name is Preeti. I am from UP. In UP, I basically belong to Gorakhpur. If I am talking about my qualification, I have completed BSc, BEd, and UP TET and CET. Now I am preparing for government exam, government teacher examination. I am homemaker. I have a little kid, 6-month-old kid, mother, and now I am learning this language. I am totally beginner. If I'm talking about my hobby, I love writing poem. I love painting. I love dancing. It is all about me. Okay, so tell me something about Kuwait. Do you like Kuwait? Do you miss our country?
Yeah, definitely. Being an Indian, I would like to say I am missing India every time, all time, because I have left my family. So definitely, I miss. If I had money, I would not have left India. Because of money, because of job, I have left India.
Yeah, yeah,
So
I
I
understand.
for the earning purpose only. Okay.
Okay, so you are married?
Yes, I am married.
Okay, so you have kid?
Yes, yes, I have kid.
Okay, so
I,
it is a very tough. You are also miss your parents. You are also miss your family. Okay, yeah. Only for money reason. That's why anyone left your family. Okay, that's it. So how many years you will live there in Kuwait?
yeah, I have been living in Kuwait for 10 years.
10 years. Oh my God.
I came Kuwait in 2014.
Okay, very long time. Okay, that's good. So that time, I think you are familiar. Everything is there.
Yeah, I go to the India every 2 years.
2 years.
Uh,
Okay.
3 months, 4 months at my home. After that, I have to come back.
Okay, that's great. So I think you live there very long time. So that time you are familiar. Everything is Kuwait, like environment, person, food, everything. You are familiar. Everything there. So
Yeah, when I came Kuwait, so uh, I can say I was given food. I was given food. The food was different kind of. Okay, so I did not like food. Okay,
that's why I am asking.
usually I had to do. I had to eat. I had to eat. Okay, what I do, and I have to eat. Now you can say nowadays I have to eat. If you don't eat, then how will you survive in this country? How will
This
you live in
country.
this country? And food is necessary in your body. If you don't
Yeah.
eat, you are not able to work. You are
Do
not
and
able to, right? Your mind is not functioning well. Okay. Suppose you are hungry. Okay, you are hungry. So you are not going to, you are not
you
going
know.
to worship the God. Okay.
Yes, yeah, really. Your example good. If you are hungry, so you don't able to do anything like worship and work. Anything you can't do if you are hungry. Every time you thinking about you not in this, like you don't think that I am thinking about my hunger, like, but you are think every time because it is a feeling. It is a not thought. It is a feeling. Okay, you are right. So that time there is a Indian food not available in Kuwait. If you want
Yeah,
any
what?
special,
Yeah, whatever you want to eat, okay, you can eat any kind of food.
okay,
Non-veg, vegetable, green vegetable. There are lots of vegetable in the Kuwait.
okay,
Cauliflower, cabbage, green veg, green vegetables. Okay,
mm,
potato, tomato, broccoli, so many things you can purchase and you can eat. There is no problem. And the people don't force you like you are in the Kuwait then you have to eat non-veg. Not like this. It depends
okay,
on you. Whatever you want to eat, you can eat. It is Muslim.
okay, that's
No one force you. Okay.
okay,
Yeah, do you
that's
want to
great.
go? You can go, but you should have ID. You should have
Okay.
ID now. After that, you will not be arrested. But if you don't have ID, then you will be arrested.
Oh my God.
Hmm.
Okay, okay, very like very very struggling is there. Okay, so what is the main language in Kuwait?
Kuwait native language is Arabic, and Arabic is spoken in Kuwait.
Okay, so you understand Arabic because you live there 10 years.
Yes, yes, I know very well, and I can speak Arabic language.
Okay, you are multilingualism person. Okay, that's great. So there is, I think, there is understand in English. Many people there speak in English. I am right?
People don't speak. Kuwait people don't speak English. They
English,
speak only Arabic. Okay,
Arabic.
Arabic language because their native language is Arabic. That's why they are speaking only Arabic language. But yeah, if you go to the airport, if you go to the big mall, okay, after that you have to speak Arabic language. Okay.
Okay, I am asking that if any other country person visit there and he don't know about Arabic, or if he speak in Hindi, sorry, if he speak in English, so he can speak or not.
Yeah, definitely, when people comes here, so definitely I think they will understand.
Okay, okay,
There are
okay, that's
lots of people, they are educated and they are not educated. Okay.
hmm.
Who are educated, definitely they will understand English language. And who are not educated, after that they will not going to understand. Right?
Okay, okay. So how long have been learning this language?
Yes, I have been learning English for last 1 year.
1 year.
When I started learning English, madam, so I did not have environment, and I don't have environment. I am living alone, and I'm living in desert area. Okay, despite of
Okay.
this, learned English. Okay.
Okay, you are live desert area. Okay, so there is a temperature so hot or
Yeah.
cold?
In Kuwait, the temperature is so hot.
So
We
hot. Okay.
everyone can't survive without AC and cooler. You
Oh
should
my.
have cooler and AC. After that, you can survive very easily. Otherwise, you can't survive, and everyone can't survive.
Okay. Initial days you like you are struggling. I think more. You
Yes,
are
definitely.
struggling.
I when I came here, so I faced lots of problem. Okay, and there was AC in my room. So when I was in the I was not habitual. But when I came here, so I started feeling cool. After that, then I used to close the AC. After that, I used to sleep. But but gradually, I have become habitual.
Okay. Slowly, slowly, you are habitual. Okay, that's great. Nice to conversation. So, you have any friend there in Kuwait?
Yes, I have lots of friends, and they are from UP.
Okay, okay, okay. I think more UP and Bihar, more people is there in Kuwait.
Yeah. In Kuwait and Saudi, Dubai, you can see there are lots of people, you know, living abroad. Okay.
Hmm.
So, madam,
Okay.
I have one question for you. Can I ask you?
Yeah, you can ask.
Y- You have, degree. You have degree, and I think you completed so many things, right?
Yeah.
And being a homemaker, you must have to do lots of work, and you have YouTube channel. You have to make thumbnail. You have to make editing video. Then how do you manage? And you have also kids. So how do you manage, madam? It is so difficult. How do
Yeah, you are right. You
you?
are right. Look at me, my face, in my eyes. Also black circle. Only for working all household chore, take care my kid, and I am also preparing. I am making thumbnails. So everything is a very tough for me. Sometimes I am demotivated, but after 1 and 2 days back, I am again motivated that I can do it. So if you want to really do anything in your life, so you can do anything, any task, how much hard and how much difficult, it is not matter. It is matter only on your thought. If you really want, if you really want to become famous, if you really want to become rich, it is depend what you want. So I love teaching, and after my marriage, I am not teach any other place. I am basically belong in village. I don't go outside, so that's why I want to create a YouTube channel because I don't want to create YouTube channel only for money. I love teaching because when I was unmarried, that time I was teach and I love teaching. So
Okay.
if you are educated, I am not saying every person, it is my personal opinion. If you are educated and you don't do anything, so that time you feel that what are I am doing, why are I am study more, everything is a unless useless, my degree useless. So that kind thinking coming in your mind. So that time, and that's why I am start my YouTube channel. There I upload my conversation video and some other video, educational video. So
Yeah.
because I want to teach, I want to share my mistakes. So if you want to do something in by your heart, so everything is easy, huh? Yeah, I am not saying that it is not tough. I am not saying that you are not demotivated. Every 2 and 3 day back I am demotivated, but again motivated. I think it is a natural.
Okay.
Sometimes
Okay.
I am very like tired, so that day I am demotivated. I am thinking that what I am doing, I am tired, I am left unless work. So after 2 and 3 days again I am motivated and I can start my journey. So it is all about me. I think it is a natural and it is my like my opinion. If you have give precious life god, so utilize good way. Don't waste watching serial, don't waste gossip.
Mhm.
So
Yeah.
if you God give me your like great life, so utilize good way, you learn something, you do some good thing other. So all
Yeah.
things motivated me.
You are saying right, madam, and definitely I am totally agree with you. If you have a strong desire, dedication, determination, definitely you can learn anything, whatever you want. Okay, it will be easy for you if you have strong desire. So it will be easy for you. anyhow you try to achieve your can say to achieve your goal, and you can achieve. Then when you become the negative thought, so how do you come in a positive way? I mean,
Yeah, yeah, I understand your question because I feel it your question. I really I don't do anything like anything special. I am not watching any kind motivational video because I am believe that if you motivate in inner side, then you can do anything. Anyone not motivate you. If anyone motivate you, you can motivate 1 and 2 and 3 days. Otherwise, you are left this work. If you motivate in inner side, then you can do anything.
mhm.